Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. I hope financial year 24-25 was good for you guys. If it wasn't, there's nothing to worry about, nothing to fret about. It simply means you were not prepared enough and that some work needs to be done to achieve those things. Some work in terms of the developing skills to read the price right, as well as to control the emotions while in the trade, also while taking the SLs. After taking a trade just after you have taken an SL, there are certain things which you need to build over time. It is my firm belief that every trader has that one magical year wherein everything changes. So there is a trajectory that a trader's life has to follow wherein after a series of losses and blowing up of accounts, there comes a year where everything changes magically and it pays off for all the years of hard work. So I hope and I believe and I will pray that this May 2025, 26 be that financial year for many of you. And on that thought, let us start the analysis video of Nifty. In case if you like my videos and my way of analyzing and reading the price action of Nifty, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, put down anything that you might have in the comments box, be it feedback, be it criticism. I am open to both. Another quick question, in case if you would like my videos to be in Hindi. I do not know what exactly is the audience more comfortable with. So in case if you want it to be in Hindi, just put down. I'll just see how many people are there for Hindi or for English. So I'll make future videos accordingly. Right. So for today, what we had planned was we'll long Nifty above this high and we'll short Nifty below this low with a pullback. In the last video, I had also mentioned that based on what the US market is doing while we were on a long weekend, I am expecting Nifty to open gap down. But because the this gap down opening is based on what the macro events which are happening across the world, I also mentioned that I am expecting if Nifty opens with a good gap down, I am expecting a gap filling trade initially. The market will come to fill this particular gap. You can watch it in the video which I had uploaded on Sunday, right? Uh, so the trade which was supposed to be there was to short the markets below this low. Nifty opened below this low, gave a good uh, pullback, and then the trade was to short Nifty as soon as it crossed this particular low. Now Nifty crossed this low, gave a good again pullback, retested this zone, and then gave a good move. So anyone who would have traded using only that logic would have benefited as well. Now I entered the trade around here. Now at the low break of this particular swing, I entered shorts. Now many of you would be having this question in mind. If the short was planned below this particular low, why would I enter a short trade over here? Is this an aggressive entry? Is this a planned entry? So I'll just explain that in a bit. So with my experience with in Nifty, parabolic moves don't survive. So this was a good parabolic up move. See, there's been no retracement as such that you can see, and the markets went all the way up from down from here to around this point. Now these moves don't usually survive, and they will lead to a sharp reversal. Now what I was expecting here is now how do I trade reversals? That is something that I will again intend to make a video on. Is I will not directly short it over here or around seeing a red candle or around here. No. I'll wait for a pullback, kind of a double top formation, M formation, you can call it by any name, to go short on Nifty. Now, I didn't expect such a sharp reversal as well as in a series of red candles, to be honest. I expected it to give two to three red candles, then give me some green candle, and then I would have shorted it below this. But nonetheless, the plan remains the same. Need to wait for the pullback. I waited. As soon as this low was taken out, I entered into puts, and market gave me a good reward instantaneously. I wanted to trail it because the day low had just been taken out, so I did not exit at this particular pullback. And as soon as this low was taken out, I moved my original SL, which was here, to here. Still, again, I did not exit around here because market was looking very, very weak. I then I moved the SL at this particular level. I exited somewhere around here. The trailing SL hit around here. Now, there were no long trades which were planned for the day after this trade, and no further shorts were taken by me because there was a good divergence on RSI. If you can see, markets was making lower low Nifty spot, whereas the RSI was making higher lows. So that was it from me. That was the only trade that I took was in this the trade at the break of this particular low. So yeah, now what we can do for tomorrow is I'll just delete these lines for the time being. Now we need to understand what exactly is market doing. So please pay close attention to it. Market has taken a strong resistance from this particular high of 23,800. Now market has given an up move. Now we need to make sure and understand whether is this a retracement, is this a reversal, or the market plans to go sideways again before deciding its next move. If it has to be reversal, we have to see till what point if this has to be a retracement, we need to check till what point can we expect a retracement. So if we just draw the Fibonacci till around these levels, I believe the point 0.5 to 0.618 zone to be a good support zone for a retracement. We'll just remove this. We still have room on the downside for the markets to play. So because the markets are looking weak, the move on the downside should be captured. Any break below this low with the pullback, we can short the markets here. Now, we cannot even rule out the markets can go long. So in case if US performs well tonight and we get a surprise gap up opening, try to understand the how price reacts. So there would be people who would have taken carried overnight shorts and who would be in some profits because of shorts they have carried earlier in the day, and they might have taken it overnight. In case of a surprise gap up opening, those people will see either a reduction in their profit or a loss, and they will be rushing to book it. In that case, uh, the markets will tend to give a good up move. Now, what we need to see is at what point should we be taking those longs? Now, I'll just take this Fibonacci from not from exactly the top, but from the top of the sideways range that the market was stuck in, and we will initiate a buy position only after this particular zone is taken out, which is also a round number of 23,400 approximately. So we'll wait for 23,000 Nifty to reclaim 23,400 before taking any longs. Now, see, the reason why I give you both the short and long trades because a lot of it depends on the opening. If the market opens around here and gives a gap down or a gap down opening and then continues the down move, you are prepared to capture it. What if market gives a surprise gap up opening? Nifty moves in gaps mostly, and in case of a good gap up opening, uh, we should be prepared for it. So as I say, do not be biased towards anything, but be prepared for anything. So that's it. That's a simple plan for tomorrow. I hope it is making some sense, and we'll try to keep the trading as simple as possible because simple things work like magic in especially with Nifty trading. And if you want to play long term, my serious suggestion would be to try to build a story around Nifty like I do. And I talk to the markets while in the live markets, as in what exactly is happening. This is the parabolic move. It won't survive. I am looking at even when the market was making this move, I was planning a short entry. Now, I was very, very clear with my uh, entry pattern was I'll not move, directly short the markets. I'll wait for pullback and then I'll short. So those are the certain rules which I will again specify in the coming days. So yeah, that's it from me for today. We'll do a same video of Nifty analysis tomorrow post the market, and I'll see you guys again. Have a good day. Cheers. Thank you so much.